Okay, it'll be another of these videos. It'll be really scuffed because well, I'm outside and it's late, and I also memorized the whole board again, so I'll try to say it with chess notation instead of like showing you the board, which like fuck you, I don't care. So it's called a fried liver attack, and it can mate your opponent. And it starts with an Italian game where you play e5, they play e6. You play your knight to f3. They play their knight to c6. Then you play your bishop to d4. You're threatening forking their rook and queen. So they'll try to move their pawn onto d5. You take their pawn with your pawn on d5. Then they take that pawn with their knight, I think. Yeah. Wait, let me see. Do I have this working? No. Wait. So you play e5. They play. No, you play e4. They play e5. You play knight to c3. They play their knight to. No, you play your knight. Holy shit, my fucking cat, man. You play your knight to f3. They play their knight to c6. You play your bishop to c4. Then they play. What do they play? Wait. Yeah, they play their knight to c6. They play your knight to play. Wait. G to g5. You play here to g5. Then you're threatening the fork. Then they play their pawn to d5. You take their pawn with your pawn, and then they take that pawn with their knight. Now you take their pawn on g7, trying to fork their queen and rook, but of course they can just take it with their king. So they take it with their king. Now you check with your queen on f3. Now you take on f3. Now if they move back to g8, they get mated in 3 moves, because you take their knight on d5 with either a queen or bishop. They have to take it back again with have to take it with their queen. Now you take their queen with again your queen or bishop, and their only option is to block your attack with their own bishop. But because it's unprotected, you just take their bishop and it's a mate. You didn't understand anything, but I don't care. I'm walking my cat and he's fucking chilling, man. Holy shit.